3539 Central Road, just south of Mayfield, Kentucky. Quality folks selling their quality home and farm. Jimmie and Carolyn Wheeler have made the decision to downsize and offer their immaculate property at absolute public auction, presented by James R. Cash. 31.28 acres with beautiful white fencing offered in 4 tracts. Buy 1 tract or any combination of tracts. Tract 1 is the Wheeler home on 1.14 acres. On the main floor, the kitchen has many nice cabinets along with a breakfast nook, a formal dining room, spacious family room with a gorgeous fireplace, along with a guest bathroom and a master suite. Upstairs are 2 nice bedrooms and a bathroom, along with wonderful accessible attic storage. The double garage has a breezeway from the laundry area. There's even a whole house generator ready when the power blinks. Tract 2 and 3 are fantastic home sites and productive farmland. Tract 4 is Jimmie's treasured horse barn, situated on 10.14 fenced acres. Jimmie is well known for his award-winning Tennessee walking horses. The barn is 172 feet long and has the possibility of 23 stalls, plus 7 more stalls in the back. There's a wash bay with hot water, a 4-horse walker, 3 cross-tie grooming areas, a tack room, and even an office and restroom for you. There are 3 very nice support buildings on this track also. If you don't have a horse, there are endless possibilities for this fine building. It even has a washer, dryer, and natural gas heat. A Kubota tractor with only 56 hours, a Massimo UTV with only 24 hours, and a Bad Boy zero-turn mower with only 170 hours are just a sample of what Jimmie has to offer from the farm at this sale. What Carolyn has in the house reflects her charming personality. Beautiful home furnishings and accent pieces with modern taste, along with her piano and a few family antiques. See jamesrcash.com for pictures. This great auction is Saturday, October 29th at 10 o'clock, with the real estate being offered at 12 noon. Call Cash Auction for your private tour.